Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 keeps freezing randomly. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of four steps. The first step is to update your Windows. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After doing this, just to close stuff here. The second step is to update your graphics card driver. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have installed GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you can open the AMD Radeon software, select the drivers tab, and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update your graphics card driver guys. After updating your graphics card driver, you just need to close stuff here. The third step is to adjust virtual memory. To do this, go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Comes up view advanced system settings, click on open it. Under the performance, select settings, select advanced, select the change under the virtual memory, uncheck the box automatically manage paging file for all drives, and now select the custom size, and in install size you just need to type the recommended value guys, 2939. After typing the recommended one, you just need to check my video description for the maximum size. Now you need to know how much RAM installed on your PC. Go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. As you can see, I have 16 GB of RAM. Just close it off here. Now copy the value of 16 GB. Copy and paste over here in the maximum size. After pasting it, select OK. Select OK. Select apply and OK for save changes. Select OK. Now select the restart later option. And the fourth step is to perform a clean boot guys. To do this, go to search menu and type msconfig. Click on open it. Select the services tab and check mark hide all Microsoft services, and select disable all. And now go to startup tab and select open task manager. In here you need to disable all startup programs guys. You just need to right click on it and select disable it. After disabling all, you just need to close stuff here. Select apply and OK for save changes. You need to select the restart option and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, there is no more lag and freeze in our PC. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.